Find the derivative of the following function from first principle. So we have to make use of first principle. This is given. And now we'll state first principle. First principle of derivative states that if I have to find the derivative of a function, I need to take a limit between this set of expressions as this limit tends towards 0. That's how we find the slopes. Agree? Now, first thing first, I always advise to find f of x plus h. And here in this case, in place of x, I'm substituting x plus h the whole cube minus 27. So if you guys want, we can use many ways to solve this. So the first being, we can expand this, or we can use a cube minus b cube. There are quite a few ways of doing this. It's left to us how we want to do it. Or if you want to expand this, we can just expand this. Okay, again, all we did was f of x is there, and f of x plus h will turn to this. Many people get confused and they write x minus 27 plus h. Something like that, wherein they're substituting h over here too. So all that they do, it's a very simple thing. Wherever x is there, we are replacing that with x plus h. If you want to expand this, we can expand it, or we can just let it be. So in this case, I'm going to expand, and I'll do it. I do want to do it as and when I can do. So it's better to simplify things whenever we can. So we have x cube plus h cube plus 3 into x into h. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b minus 27. Don't forget that. And let's substitute this. Substitute in 1. This being 1. So we have this to be f prime of x is equal to limit h tending towards 0. So we have x cube plus h cube plus 3xh x plus h minus 27. That's our first term. Second term is minus of x cube minus 27. Closing the brackets. Okay, so this is our second term and divided by h. Let me complete this. Yeah. So this is our second term. I'll just indicate it with a different color. So that's our f of x. Okay, please know the difference. This entire expression is the first f of x plus h, and this is your second term. Right? Now, we need to expand the brackets and further simplify inside the brackets. So we have x cube plus h cube plus 3xh x plus h minus 27 minus x cube plus 27. This entire expression divided with h. So can we cancel few things? Yeah, we have this and this getting cancelled, and with between the second and the third term we have h that is common. So limit h tends towards 0, h times of h square and 3x x plus h, and everything is going to get divided with h. In pretty much all your derivative questions, this will happen. We have x, h in this case, sorry, that will get cancelled. It has to. That's why we do all of this, and we will get h and h. The questions that we come across, there are scenarios wherein h will not get cancelled, but you don't have that in your syllabus. Now on direct substitution, so what do we get? In place of h, I put 0 over here and 0 over there, and so basically we'll get 3x square, and that's your derivative. Does it make sense? So this is nothing but 0 square plus 3x x plus 0, and for the simplification will give us f prime of x is equal to 3x square. So it is so. So derivative of x cube is 3x square and the constant is 0. Of course, this is a very simple, straightforward if I use the formula. But yeah, getting familiar with how we got it, getting familiar with the formula will be better if we do few problems with the first principle.